Okay, so we are in a zoo now. Oh damn. Hope you can see it right there. So empty. The minute is deadly crowded. Like literally. Oh, starting. It's currently now 5 o'clock. Like exactly 5 o'clock. Not exactly, since a few seconds it's passed already. Sorry if my English is not good. I have a sore throat. You can see we are close to get the fuck
Today we will be discovering birds from all over the world. Everyone, meet my friend Kelvin.
Hello everyone! Now I am a birder, which means I don't just look at birds, I look for birds. Did you know I traveled from Scotland to Zululand and all the way down to Antarctica to see as many different birds as I can in a single year.
Wow, Kelvin here is very passionate but a little bit crazy, right?
Crazy? No, I'm not crazy.
Crazy for birds.
Yeah, yes, that's right.
Okay, come, share with us how many birds have you seen?
Oh, last year I've seen about 700 different species of birds. This year, I want to break my own record and see 1,000 birds or even more!
Wow! Hashtag show off.
I know.
Okay, come, let's all begin this journey by seeing some smart, powerful, and truly incredible wing friends. First stop, South America. Let's go! So we will be taking a drive to the port and then a boat ride down the Tambo Mata River. You might see the footprint of a jaguar or even spot a red howler. Now look around you! Now we got one of the most biodiverse parts of the planet right here in the Peruvian Amazon. Everyone, welcome to Junjo Botol Playland, where hundreds of birds gather every day to live on clay. And this playland is the largest of its kind in the world.
And for eyes up there, here comes Adrian and Ferrari, the Scarlet Macaws. Now in a short while, Adrian and Ferrari will be joining us at the clay walk right over here. Macaws like that, they have sharp beaks, which allows them to eat unripe fruits. However, eating unripe fruits is not good for these birds, as it may contain toxins within them. Eating clay helps to neutralize the toxins, as well as add sodium to their diet, which normally can't be found. Amazing, right?
That's right, so don't upset tummies. Looks like the both of them are still enjoying their salty tea, so let's give them a big hand. Thank you.
Stop. Even more birds.
Ah, okay.
Stop. Southeast Asia, that way.
Now everyone, welcome to Mandai Bird Paradise in Singapore. Now this park is home to 3,500 birds, over 400 avian species.
Oh, that's right.
Nice, right?
That's amazing.
You want to see more birds?
Yes, please.
Okay, before we see more birds, let's talk about eggs, shall we? Alright, so everyone, this is the Easter weekend, right? So we are conducting a digital egg hunt, okay? So if you want to learn more about bird species, their eggs, the shapes, sizes, and colors, all you have to do is scan that QR code, okay, and go on this digital egg hunt, okay? So collect and see how many eggs you can get, and then you can exchange that with